Hey Ligers, I wanted to make a video to help you with level 4 questions for adding integers. Keep in mind that level 4 means that it's above and beyond or it's honors level. It's more than you need to know to be at a 7th grade level. But we haven't gone over these types of questions yet, so I wanted to go over them. Level 4 for adding integers means that you're solving story problems. And with story problems, you need to know what words mean positive and what words mean negative. Remember that integer means positive and negative whole numbers. So if you have a story, it will just have the number and then it'll have a word that will tell you if it's positive or negative. So some of those examples are listed on my screen right now. So for positive numbers, we have things like earning and saving money. So if I earn $5 from mowing the lawn, or if I save $10 a week from my paycheck, those types of things would represent a positive number. But borrowing or spending money would be considered negative. So if I borrow 10 bucks from a friend, or if I spend $3 in the vending machine every day, or if I owe someone money, debt, those types of numbers for money represent negative numbers. The next one I have on here is talking about sea level, above sea level, above sea level or below sea level. And some people haven't heard of that before, but the sea or the ocean is at a certain level, and we consider that to be 0. And any place in the world that is higher than that level is considered above sea level, and that's a positive number. Anything that's below that level we call below sea level. It's a negative number, and it's talking about the elevation of a place. So maybe a city or a mountain or things like that. So above sea level is positive, below sea level is negative. Then the last two I have on here are ascend and descend. And I put a little airplane because I always think of when I'm flying on an airplane and they say we're about to make our final descent, and that means that the airplane is going down, and they're talking about descending the plane. And descending or going down means negative, and ascending means going up or positive. So I have a couple of problems to go through with you. The first one says Miss Bayardo owes Miss Weiser $13. Miss Bayardo also owes Miss Christensen $7. How much does Miss Bayardo owe in total? So owing money is a negative integer. And so she owes $13, so that's negative 13. And then she owes another negative $7. So that's negative 7. And it says to write this as a sum of integers. Sum means the answer to an addition problem. So I'm going to add these two together. And from our rules that we learned earlier this week, we know that if they're both a negative number, we just add the two numbers together and take the sign of the two numbers. So because they're both negative, my answer will be negative. And then 13 plus 7 is 20. So my answer, how much does Miss Bayardo owe in total? We could say that she owes $20, or that we could say negative 20, because that negative says that she owes money. Then this last question says the temperature was 8 degrees Fahrenheit below 0. The temperature increases 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Write a sum of integers to find what the final temperature is. So to start, it was 8 degrees below 0. Anything that says below means negative. So this one would be a negative 8. We're writing this as a sum. We are adding. And then it increases 2 degrees. And increasing, it's going up, means it's positive. So we would put a positive 2. So my problem would be negative 8 plus 2. And then from our rules earlier this week, if 1 is negative and 1 is positive, like we have here, that means we're going to subtract the two numbers and take the sign of the bigger number. So ignoring the negative, 8 is bigger than 2. So I look at the 8 is negative, so my answer will be negative. And then I subtract 8 and 2 will be 6. So my temperature would be -6 degrees or 6 degrees below zero. Hopefully this helps. If you have questions, remember to email your teacher. Have a great day, Valley.